So we are in Hampton Inn again. This time we're in room 213. It is 2 queens. Let's see if we can. And I'm about to break the seal. Okay, bathroom. It's got the open thing. I like that. Less liable to leave something behind. Cute little thing. Toilet, of course. Right next to the shower. Way up high shower. And the arched bar, which I like in a shower. Gives you a little elbow room. Oh, and it has a nightlight. Don't see that everywhere. Nice big mirror. Hello, everyone. Closet doors mirrored. I don't know if it's just older or just, yeah, it's just older. Extra blanket, ironing board, iron. The people at the front desk were super nice and friendly. This wall here looks like it could use a little paint too. Yeah, not a bad room, but I think it's just the paint is, it's time. Okay, so it's 2 queen beds, 4 pillows each. That's the fun part when we get 2 queens. TV, fridge, which is good, and a microwave. Let's get some light on. Okay, so we are right behind the entrance. That's where people drive up down there. See the kind of circle-y there? Yeah. Yeah, because we're just 1 room off of the elevators. Okay, so nice desk, lamp. Let's see if the lamp has, it does not have USB. A little coffee maker. And here's another lamp. Let's see if it has USB. Does not. Yeah, this isn't a new one probably. I don't think this is a new Hampton Inn. It doesn't look like it. So it doesn't have those lamps that I can see. Seems to be pretty comfy though, you know, pretty big. All right, Jerry's here, gotta go. Forgot to mention they gave us 2 bottles of water at the front desk. Very nice. DoubleTree gives you chocolate cookies, but which is nice too. But they're all part of the Hilton family. But today, I think the water is probably the better idea. So let's find out where this hotel, oh, that won't close there, gotta go on the bottom. Let's find out where this one is. I think it's called the Hampton Inn and Suites, Prattsville, Alabama. So right by the elevator is the ice maker and the Coke machine. This is where you get off the elevator. Always a pretty little vignette at the landing. First door is room 214. Second door is 213, which is ours. And looks like we have mail. No, we don't. They know we're leaving. They've left a little thing before they clean the room. pretty much exactly the same setup as in New Jersey, except there's no bar. So I'm having a blueberry waffle. I don't like maple syrup, so I'm having whipped cream. Okay, so here's the hotel on the outside. It's like a million other Hampton Inns, this era of Hampton Inn. And there's a pretty big road in front of it, but right over there, I don't know if you can see because I'm shooting toward the sun, is an interstate. So it's very convenient. And they have electric vehicle charging. And then they also have wounded combat soldier parking. And across the street, way over yonder, can you see? There's a Waffle House. And then you can just see the roof of it. Bass Pro Shops is across the street. There's also an outdoor pool, as you can see. It's in the shade this morning. It is a beautiful morning today. And then across, or behind, I should say, can you see that building there? Is a Starbucks. That's what the drive-through line is. How convenient. There it is. That's a better view of it. So, yeah, and then that little shopping center that it's in there has all kinds of stuff. And it's on a frontage road, so you're not on the big highway. And there's all kinds of stuff there. So the location is great. Jerry thought his bed was comfortable. I wasn't as happy with mine. And we did have trouble with the thermostat. Finally got it set, but that was probably 2 or 3 in the morning. It's like they're cleaning the pool right now. Yeah, we had 2 queen beds this time. Which, when you've been married 34 years, it's kind of fun to get the bed to yourself, but still have your partner there. Every once in a while, you know, you can just throw yourself all over the bed. It's so pretty out here. Yeah, nice and green. Beautiful. They gave us some suggestions of local restaurants. So it's a nice selection there, but the one they highlighted for us, because I was in the mood for barbecue, is right on the service road, so we don't even have to go out into the main drag, and we are just off of I-85 or 65, I'm not sure, because one changes to the other. Okay, so we're going to Jim and Nick's Barbecue, just down the road from the hotel, on a service road, very convenient, and boy does it smell good. Jim and Nick's. Yep, so let's go in and see.
Go ahead.
Nope. Yuppie. Guess you wait here. Our table has a little lamp. Let's get dark in here. Jim and Nick's Barbecue. Pause if you want to read their story. Scan, find the nearest location, starter. They got catfish, baby back ribs, and classic spare ribs. Sandwiches. I do like a pulled pork sandwich. Burgers. Ooh, cheese biscuits. Just like Olive Garden. No, not Olive Garden. What's that seafood restaurant? Ooh, they have banana pudding for dessert. Oh, they have just to-go meals too. All right, so Jim and Nick's Community Barbecue. Okay, so they start you off with cornbread. Yummy. Okay, we got smoked wings with the Alabama white sauce and the good ice. Yummy. Jerry's having pulled pork sandwich. I'm having baby backs with barbecue corn on the cob and potato salad. Yum. Well, I didn't do too good. I did like the chicken, although I don't think it was fried. It may have been smoked before, but it was fried. These tasted very smoky, like they had that liquid smoke, but with the barbecue sauce on them, they were okay. Not my favorite kind of potato salad. And then this had that white sauce all over it, so it's hot. I couldn't eat it, and I was looking forward to it. So I'm going to give it a B minus